Yeah, so when I'm driving down Gratiot, or any straight road, you just want to make sure you're in the middle, the center of the lane. You want to make sure you're doing the speed limit. The speed limit's 50. I'm doing 52, so I'm right around that good range. You want to make sure that the car next to you, behind you, they're in a good safe distance. Luckily the car behind me is way back there. He's doing the speed limit as well, so he's not gonna creep up on me at all. The car in front of me, he's way up there. I'm not too worried about him. So what I'm really looking out for at the moment is cars oncoming, making sure they're not swerving into my lane, and I'm also making sure there's nothing in the road that my tires can hit.
Are you a fast driver, slow driver, drive at the speed driver, chill driver? Can you kind of explain your style, your vibe?
I define myself as a defensive kind of fast driver.
Okay.
Like I usually do around like 2 to 3 over the speed limit when I'm on a main road like Gratiot or something like that, and that's just to get where I'm going. I drive a Challenger, so
that means something.
I'm a fast driver sometimes, so I can have a little bit of a lead foot sometimes, especially on the freeway. But I'm also very defensive. Like, I'm always watching out. I'm making sure. I got a clean driving record. Like I said, I've been driving for 8 years. I've never been in an accident. So I'm always just checking my surroundings, especially like even at the 4-way stop when I let that guy go. I'm always making sure that I'm safe above everything else.
Why do you think intersections are the most dangerous place? Have you seen accidents? Have you seen people with no blinkers on? Can you kind of describe what you see here right now?
Intersections I feel like are the most dangerous place, because if somebody runs a red light, if somebody decides, oh, you know what, it's blinking yellow and this car's coming, but I think I can make it. And that's how you get T-boned. That's how you get hurt. That's how accidents happen.
Can you turn on Rose?
Yes.
And then we'll head back to home base. Talk about what you're doing right now.
Right now I'm turning my left blinker on, getting into the left turn lane. I'm decelerating.
What are you looking for right now with these cars?
I'm looking for oncoming cars. I'm looking at my timing. So right now I see these 2 cars. Obviously I'm not going to turn. Now there's a wide open space, hand over hand, onto Rose Street.
Nice. Please make a right turn on this street coming up. Talk about your hands. Talk about your speed.
My speed, I'm not going to accelerate all the way to the speed limit because I'm turning right away. So I'm just going to accelerate to a proper speed, turn onto the street that we're going to.
Can you make a left?
Yep.
Talk about your vision. What are you looking for? How are you turning?
Looking for anything in the road. Turning smoothly, turning softly, nice and easy. We're back in the neighborhood.
So what does that mean to you? Dangers. A lot of people get really casual. Neighborhoods are the most dangerous place. Talk about your defensive mindset.
I'm always looking, like I said earlier, I'm looking for, a ball to get hit out in the road and some kid go running after it. Dogs, cats, any pets, even, in the neighborhood, squirrels, rabbits. If somebody parked their car a little bit too far in the road, like this truck is pretty far out, and it's right between this van. So my car, I'm just gonna kind of creep through. I'm looking for anything that can cause an accident while doing 20 at the same time. Coming up to the stop sign, I turn my blinker on first, then I start to decelerate, come to a complete stop, look left, look right, left again, I'm clear.
If this brought you value, subscribe. We're going to do more driving tutorials, and we'll get Mr. Michael to talk about his time in Poland and driving manuals. I just wanted to thank Mr. Michael for taking time out of his day to teach us how to drive, to give us a narrative and a perspective. Thank you.